Might brush. With our dental Robin Hood toothbrush. Dental Robin Hood timer. This is not easy. It's not fun. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Okay, baby. I hear you. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Even though I didn't see you this morning. This is brushing teeth with children every day. This is the norm. This is actually not that bad. Alright, 2 minutes now. Turn our Robin Hood floss. This is not easy. This has to be consistent. Must be worth something. And even then. Gotta really keep it tight. Close there. And we're done.